Welcome back, y'all. We appreciate you joining in. So today we have a pair of Allen Edmonds. So real quick, let's take a look at these boots. Now this gentleman sent these in and they're in rough shape. Could have been sent in earlier, but fortunately this pair of boots has a double layer sole on there. So he hasn't quite hit that second layer yet. So we're gonna be able to save these. We're gonna do the works, we're gonna get them polished up, all new soles, new heel blocks, new heel pads, the works. These boots are going to look amazing by the time they are done. So, without further ado, let's get right into this pair of boots.
That one's not coming off. This has a midsole and an outsole, which you take them off in one whack. Wood shank. Maybe a little too much. Boot number 2.
All right, so we have these boots corked and now we're going to go let them harden before we put the soles on. But if you've watched this channel for any length of time, you know that when fall gets here, Heath and I are in our flannel shirts.
I have never had a custom tailored to me flannel shirt. Dress shirts, yes. Flannel, no. Look at this. Look at this thing. Feels good. Made for me.
And today we're going to talk about today's video sponsor, Tailor Store. So Heath was not kidding when he said that these flannels are the best fitting flannels that we've ever owned. A lot of times we get them off the rack And we got these from Taylor's store, and I mean, as soon as we put it on, we're like, wow, this fits great. Now, we have a lot of clothes from the Taylor store that we've gotten over the years, and the reason we keep coming back to Taylor store is because we love what they do. Now, one of the things that I hate doing is going to the mall or shopping online, and you get an off-the-rack shirt. It shows up, you think you chose the right size, you put it on, okay, it fits okay, but it's a little baggy through here, maybe the sleeves are a bit too long. That's where Taylor store comes in. Guys, on their website, you get to custom choose your clothing. So you get to choose the fit, the cuffs, the style of the buttons, the style of the collar, the fabric you choose. Almost every single part of the clothing is chosen by you. And the great thing about Taylor store is they also have a fit guarantee. So let's say the boxes show up at your house. You try on the clothes, they don't quite fit the way that you want it to. Don't stress. All you have to do is get in touch with Taylor store and they will remake it until that fit is perfect. Now guys, one of the great things about Taylor store is they own their own production facilities, which means there is no middleman. So when I say that for what you're spending on off-the-rack clothing, you literally can get a lot of it at Taylor store, custom made and measured to your size. So there is no more buying shirts that are overly large or too small for you and then you have to return it. No, you're getting clothing that fits you extremely well, and it's one of the big reasons we love Taylor store. Guys, they are not new at this. They've been doing it for over 20 years and they have over 300,000 plus happy customers, Heath and I included. And another great thing about Taylor store is the fast shipping. You would think that, hey, I'm having all these clothes customized, the shipping must take forever. It doesn't. I'm telling you, you'll get your order in and before you know it, your clothes are arriving at your door. It really is that quick. Now look, you know that we've come to you guys and we only talk about products that we really like. Well, add Taylor store to your list. Guys, I'm not kidding, and Heath's not either, when we say that this has become a fan favorite of ours. We love Taylor store, and I promise we would not bring it to you if we didn't think you guys would as well. So check them out today. So these boots are in pretty clean shape. So I'm not going to use saddle soap. I'm actually using this Saphir cleanser, which kind of gets down in the pores and does a good job removing surface dust and stuff like that. All right, so I'm just putting some Saphir light brown shoe cream on here. For a lot of you guys that don't know, the Saphir is really good at adding some conditioners into the leather, but it's also very pigmented, so it does a great job of putting color back into the leather. Okay, this pair of Allen Edmonds boots is done. Now, the gentleman that sent these in, he'd worn them. The heels were into the heel block, or he'd worn into the heel block. The soles had holes in both of them. Fortunately, it was a double layer sole, so he had just started hitting that second layer, and it wasn't too bad. So we were able to save it.
Yeah, it was a pretty simple resole. As Trent just mentioned, this was a double layered, well, I wouldn't say it's like a second outsole, but it did have a leather midsole. And so we replicated that. We kept the original welt and then just put a basic Argentine leather outsole on these things, built up some heel blocks and made out of actual leather. Sometimes, Allen Edmonds heel blocks are a kind of
almost like a compressed
composite
type.
Cardboard type stuff. But we did some stacked leather heels on there and then put an Allen Edmonds top lift back on, shined them up. Pretty good. Yeah,
I think they turned out looking well. Like I said, he hadn't gotten into his insole yet, so we're able to save it. New cork, the works, polished them like Heath said, and yeah, they look good. So let us know what you think. Did you enjoy it? You think the boots look nice? Definitely leave a comment down below. Now guys, also make sure to check out Taylor's store on your way out, and also southernpolished.com, where we will be selling all of our flip-flops that we've been mass producing over this past spring, summer. Yeah.
Even though we're going into fall, winter, it is going to be gift season, and also escape those cold weather blues by going down to a tropical place, warm place. And you want Southern Polish to go with you.
All right. So again, thanks again for joining us. Until next time, y'all have a good one.